I like using these magnetic mounts on my drone controllers to be able to get the phone up and away from the controls, and you're not having to force a large phone into this bracket to hold it. With these, it's adjustable, and it'll let you get your phone away by moving it back and forth and get it away from the controller and angle it at a position where you can see it better. But most of them use these stickers and stick onto your controller, and I'm not a terribly big fan of getting sticker residue or having one of these pop off on you. So what I do is convert one of these to a mount that goes in here. So I make a dummy 3D print of an iPhone 11, which is a little bit smaller and doesn't stretch the springs out on the controller quite as much. And I mount this here, and I'm able to put the mount further away where I can see better and have a better angle of using the phone and the controller together. And you don't have to worry about it popping off, coming off of here, or just ruining your controller by damaging this part of it at all. So I'm going to show you how I actually make one of these and be able to use with a phone mount. And you need either, if you have an Android, have a cover that has a magnetic mount, or with Apple it'll just stick right to one of these. But I like to use StartRC brand mount. It has a little bit stronger magnet than some of these other mounts that I've used in the past. This particular one has a pretty strong rare earth magnet in it, and it also comes with some extra mounts. So you can use a ring like this inside of a phone cover, or you can stick it to the back of your phone if you wish with it. But that's the best starting point to make these. So what I do is just 3D print, and I'll put a copy to the files in here, but this is an iPhone 11, so it's slightly smaller, fits in here better, and doesn't stretch the cover out. Just mark the center, drill a hole through it, about dead on here works best. But on the bottom here, you have to unscrew this to where you can put a screw in from the bottom. So just back this piece off here, remove that screw, and pull this connector out. And on the bottom, you can see there's a screw here. So you need to match that up with a screw, and I'll put a link to the size of these on here. I use a lock washer and then a couple of flat washers to make sure I get the right distance on it. If you have a little bit shorter screw, you might not need to use the washers, but the oversized washer gives a little more strength to when you bolt it through here to where it doesn't crack this base at all. So basically I just take this mount, screw this into it, then with this it'll mount right on it. Screw that on, get it centered. Take an Allen key, get a little snug but not overly tight. Center it up. Then your phone will mount right onto it. So tilt it whatever angle you want to get a better view on it. And like I said, with this StartRC version, I'll put a link to it below too. It's got a much stronger magnet than the others I found, so you can tilt this back and forth to wherever you want it, shake it around. I mean, it's pretty hard and it won't move around at all. When you add a magnetic clamp like this, it puts it a little further away from your controller. One good thing about these StartRC type of mounts, they come with an extra long cable. So with that, you get a cable extender, mount on your phone, and it'll reach all the way from the back of your controller to this. So for the $13, $14 that you pay for this magnet, you get about a cable you'd pay $7 or $8 for if you ordered separately, and it comes with this magnetic piece, so you don't have to buy it separate. So that makes this even better value than some of the others that don't come with one. And you definitely need that longer extension cable to hook to your phone if you get this sort of distance away from your controller. Also like to print these sunshades to fit over the phones that protect it from any glare. Put a link to the print for that also. When that's on here, you don't get any glare with it, so you can protect that from the sun, have it angled the way you need it. You can adjust it like that, up and down, to get it higher, and it keeps any magnets away from your controller. Sometimes people have claimed that they've had issues with it affecting the controller and the controls of it. So if you have one sticking on here, you're more likely to have a problem with the controller. But with putting this further away from you, the magnets aren't going to cause any issues at all. And majority of people that have had problems with magnets, and more when they stuck something on their drone, has caused more problems than they ever have with the controller. So this will allow you to just get your phone a little further away, make more fine-tuned adjustments on it, and get it to a better position away from your controller where your controls aren't hidden up under it. Just a better fit and feel. So if you like this design at all, just let me know, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.